Have you ever wondered why galaxies are shaped like whirlpools? It's not just pretty wallpaper material. Turns out, the spiral of a galaxy holds huge secrets about gravity, rotation, and how the universe works. Get ready, because this story is going to make the cosmos feel close. Have you ever seen pictures of galaxies that look like whirlpools? Yep, those are spiral galaxies. But it's not just about aesthetics. This shape tells a long story about gravity, time, and organized cosmic chaos. Initially, a galaxy was just a swirling cloud of gas, dust, and young stars. No pretty shape. Everything was random, like uncooked instant noodles. But slowly, the force of gravity started playing a crucial role. As a galaxy spins, the inner parts rotate faster than the outer parts. This phenomenon is called differential rotation. It's like a merry-go-round. The parts near the center spin faster than those at the edge. Now, because of that speed difference, gas and dust get pulled into curved patterns. This is where the beginnings of spiral arms start to emerge. They're not the galaxy's hands, but dense lanes full of new stars. Interestingly, those spiral arms aren't static. Their contents are always changing. Stars are born, shine, and then die. But the spiral pattern remains, as if the galaxy has a secret blueprint guarded by the universe. Scientists call this the density wave theory. The gist is, the spiral isn't a group of stars rotating together, but a density wave. Stars just pass through it, like cars driving through a traffic jam. When gas enters the spiral arm region, its pressure increases. This causes the gas to collapse and give birth to new stars. That's why spiral arms look brighter. They're full of hot, glowing young stars. But why aren't all spiral galaxies the same? Some are neat, some are messy. The answer, their environment. Interactions with other galaxies can warp, disrupt, or even change the shape of the spiral. Our own Milky Way galaxy is a spiral too, you know. We live in one of its arms, but because we're inside it, it's hard to see its full shape. It's like being in the middle of a forest. You can't see the pattern of the forest. What's also interesting is that the galaxy's spiral can last for billions of years, even though its contents are always changing. This shows that the universe likes stability, but in a super dynamic and dramatic way. There are also galaxies that started as spirals, then changed into ellipticals, usually due to major collisions. These cosmic crashes are brutal, but stars rarely actually hit each other. They're too far apart, bro. The spiral shape also helps scientists estimate a galaxy's age. Spirals with lots of gas are usually still actively forming stars. If the gas runs out, the spiral can fade and lose its youthful glow. So the spiral isn't a coincidence. It's the result of a long dance between gravity, rotation, and time, all working together without a director, yet the result is incredibly artistic. When you think about it, spiral galaxies are like human life, spinning, changing, but the pattern remains. There are phases of birth, growth, and destruction, but the grand story keeps going. But wait a minute, not all spirals are peaceful. Some have hyperactive centers with greedy, supermassive black holes that influence the entire galaxy's structure. The black hole at a galaxy's center can influence the direction of the spiral arms through its extreme gravity. So, the galactic center is like a DJ setting the rhythm for a cosmic party. The deeper scientists study galactic spirals, the more they realize this shape is nature's compromise between chaos and order. And strangely, the same laws of physics apply everywhere. From distant galaxies to the Milky Way, the spiral pattern emerges again and again. The question now is, why does the spiral feel so natural to the universe? Is it the most efficient shape for long-term survival? In the next story, we'll discuss why spiral patterns also appear in hurricanes, snail shells, and even human fingerprints. Turns out, the universe really likes spirals. If you thought spirals only exist in galaxies, get ready to be surprised. This pattern appears everywhere, from storms on Earth to the DNA in your body. It's as if the universe is saying, just use this pattern, it's the most suitable. The closest example, hurricanes and cyclones. From above, their shape is a neat spiral. The cause is the same, rotation and differential speed. The air at the center spins at a different rhythm than the air at the edges. This phenomenon is called the Coriolis effect. Because Earth rotates, everything that moves will curve. The end result? A spiral vortex that looks remarkably similar to a galaxy, just on a miniature scale. Now look at a snail's shell. Its shape is a logarithmic spiral. Uniquely, even as the snail grows large, its spiral shape remains the same. This is called self-similarity, a pattern consistent at all scales. Spiral galaxies are like that too. Whether small or gigantic, their basic shape is similar. The universe seems to have found an efficient template for growth without damaging the structure. Even plants join in. The arrangement of sunflower seeds forms a double spiral. This isn't a coincidence, but the most efficient way to fill space without leaving gaps. This pattern is related to the Fibonacci sequence. These numbers often appear in nature because mathematically they are the most energy efficient. Nature likes things that are economical yet long-lasting. Back to galaxies, the spiral helps distribute gas and stars. Without this pattern, a galaxy could become too chaotic or even collapse inward. A spiral is like a cosmic highway. Gas flows, stars are born, energy is distributed. Everything moves, yet remains orderly. Chaos given a path. This makes scientists think, perhaps the spiral is a natural solution for rotating systems. Whether atomic scale or galactic, the rules are the same. Even in the human body, DNA is shaped like a helix, a close relative of the spiral. Life's information is stored in a coiled form. Once again, a twisting pattern. It's as if the universe is in love with circular motion. Rotation creates stability, yet remains flexible in the face of change. That's why spiral galaxies can last billions of years. They change their contents, but the pattern remains, like an old playlist with new songs. When scientists simulate the universe on a computer, spiral patterns often emerge on their own without being forced. This means spirals aren't a design, but a natural consequence of physics laws. Gravity, rotation, and time. When you combine these three, they almost always produce a spiral. A simple combination with a magnificent result. So, why are galaxies shaped like spirals? Because the universe likes solutions that are stable, efficient, and can last a long time without complicated rules. The spiral is the perfect compromise between moving and enduring. Not rigid, but also not messy. When you look at a picture of a spiral galaxy, remember, it's not just a beautiful sight, it's a sign the universe is working neatly. From storms, snails, flowers, to galaxies, they are all connected by the same pattern. We live in a consistent universe, only the scales are different. So the next time you see a spiral, realize this. It's not a coincidence. It's a sign that behind the cosmic chaos, there's a cool pattern quietly arranging everything. And if you like stories like this, or are interested in similar topics, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. By subscribing, you won't miss out on other exciting content. In the next video, there will be an even more interesting topic. It could be more mysterious, more entertaining, or even more surprising than you imagined. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Likes and comments also help this channel grow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.